G'day, we're back with some Chinese cooking here. This is the ingredients or filling for dumplings. So inside we have cabbage, minced meat or ground beef, topside steak actually, ginger and garlic, and as I said, spring onions and some salt. We'll go into that for taste. So we'll come back a bit later and we'll see this being prepared for dumplings. Correction, there was no garlic, but I'm no professional. But I have a professional Chinese cook here. Very good. We'll come back very shortly. Okay, so everything's all being mixed up there, and that'll be put into the fridge for a few moments because the dumpling sheets have to be made, handmade. So you can use other meats like chicken or pork or whatever you like. If you're vegetarian, well then you would use a substitute. But we'll come back a bit later. Oh, and also corn flour was also added as well, and that thickens up things as well and softens up meat apparently. Here we have some professional work being done here. This is for the dumplings. Yes. These were the first ones. Have a look at this. But she's smart girl. She used a schooner glass. But my housemate's son was over here for beers. Because I don't drink. Because I've completed 4 years of no alcohol. However, here we have a beer bottle from the young lad. And we're repurposing or reusing it to as a rolling pin. How cool is that? But back to these professional ones. Very professional. Here with the schooner glass or pot glass or whatever pint. There we go. Professional here on the Jeremiah Esquire channel. Very good, very good. I'm impressed with that. But the first ones, yes. What can we do?
Yeah.
We cannot be perfectionists. But this is a very good effort. And this will be for the meat to make a dumpling, Chinese style, in Australia, Adelaide, Largs Bay. Yo. Very good work. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Meg. Dumplings hard work.
Happy 21st.
Yeah, how you treat me like this.
Happy 21st birthday.
Treat me like this. I'm working 5 hours.
Yeah, 5 hours, okay.
Since morning, 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, okay.
Oh, 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock, yes. And it's now after 1:30. Been very busy on your birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, baby.
Okay, we'll wrap it up there. And this is once again for the dumplings. We'll show another edit or clip onto this because we're not professionals. But here's some professional work.